Hello everyone.
The Bonginkosi party said it had removed Bonginkosi Khanyile as Youth League president as part of a strategic redeployment. The party also announced the removal of the Youth League members, including Deputy President Thapelo Maisha, Bonginkosi, and who served as an interim secretary general, as well as Philani Kazuzu Nduli, who held the position of Gauteng coordinator. A letter dated 9 April said, "Dear Comrade Bonginkosi Khanyile, you are hereby removed from the position of National Coordinator of the Bonginkosi Youth League. This removal is effective from today. Your role going forward will be to be a normal member of the Bonginkosi Youth League. You will be notified of your redeployment in due course. MK Party appreciates your role played thus far." In a statement on Wednesday, the Jacob Zuma-led party announced the strategic redeployment of Khanyile, Maisha, and Nduli, but did not provide an explanation. The party said in a statement, "This decision comes after thoughtful consultations and is aimed at bolstering our efforts to achieve a transformative two-thirds majority. Our goal is clear: to facilitate land expropriation for the landless and tackle the challenge of load shedding, create sustainable employment opportunities for the youth, and addressing the pressing issues of poverty and inequality. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Khanyile, Maisha, and Nduli for their invaluable contributions in their previous roles. Their dedication and leadership have laid a strong foundation for the positive changes we aspire to bring. As these young leaders embark on their new roles, we are inspired by their commitment and energy to focusing on garnering youth to support MK in the elections." In March, Khanyile, during a media briefing in Johannesburg, said there will be consequences if Zuma and the newly formed party were not allowed on the ballot paper come election day next month. Khanyile was speaking about the legal battle with the ANC over the trademark and registration of MK Party, the party's parliamentary candidates, and the Bonginkosi Youth League's future, and said if they removed the Bonginkosi party and President Zuma from the ballot as the face of the campaign and try to take our rights, there won't be elections in South Africa. A source told the Star that these people have been expelled from the party for alleged defiance. "I have been told that Khanyile will clarify his position in a day or two." On the issue of Khanyile's removal, political analyst Professor Sipho Sepe indicated the party's decision was consistent with the stance it took over a month ago, and said the removal of Bonginkosi Khanyile is consistent with the position that the party took when it signed the Electoral Code of Ethics. The party has promised to deal with those of its members who are likely to bring it into disrepute.
Is he right?
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.